In Fortnite, every millisecond counts. Slow inputs mean lost time and crucial moments. In this video, I'll walk you through simple but powerful ways to drastically reduce input delay and lag, so your keyboard and mouse respond instantly. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tips will help you sharpen your gameplay. Let's get started and take your Fortnite skills to the next level. Let's start by tweaking the keyboard data queue size in the Windows registry. This helps reduce input delay, making your keystrokes register faster, which is crucial for Fortnite's fast-paced build battles and quick edits. To get started, open the registry editor by typing regedit into the Windows search bar. Right-click on Registry Editor and choose Run as Administrator to ensure you have full permissions. Once you're inside the editor, go to the address bar at the top, paste the exact path mentioned in the video description, and press Enter to directly navigate to the target registry location. Inside this folder, look for a registry entry named Keyboard Data Queue Size. Double-click to open it. By default, its value is usually set to 100, meaning your system allows up to 100 keystrokes to be queued at once. While this might sound efficient, it actually causes noticeable input delay in fast-paced titles like Fortnite, where rapid and precise keystrokes are a core part of gameplay. To fix this, try lowering the value. A good starting point is 65, which reduces the queue size and helps register your inputs much faster. If you're still experiencing slight lag or delay, gradually fine-tune it further. Test values like 95, 90, or 85 until you find the sweet spot that delivers instant input without dropping or missing keystrokes. Pro tip: make sure the value format is set to hexadecimal before clicking OK and closing the editor. Once you've applied this tweak, your keyboard inputs in Fortnite should feel much more responsive. You'll notice quicker building, cleaner edits, and an overall snappier gameplay feel, ultimately giving you better control and an edge over your opponents in every fight. To take your performance to the next level, especially if your goal is to achieve zero input delay in Fortnite, make sure to grab my Fortnite Input Delay Fix Pack from the official website. The direct download link is available in the description below, so you can access it quickly and safely. Inside the pack, you'll get two key optimization tools: ISLC, Intelligent Standby List Cleaner, and Filter Key Setter. Both are absolute must-haves when you're chasing flawless responsiveness and lag-free inputs. Let's begin with ISLC. Once you open it, you'll need to configure a few critical settings. In the first field, type 1024. This sets the minimum free memory limit. In the second box, enter half of your total RAM in megabytes. For instance, if your system has 16 GB of RAM, input 8000 MRD. This ensures the software clears unused memory more efficiently during gameplay, keeping your system snappy. Now scroll to the Wanted Time Resolution section. Delete any pre-filled value and set it to 0.5 pol. Then, make sure to tick the box for Enable Custom Time Resolution. This specific tweak plays a big role in reducing input latency and improving frame time consistency. Next up is the polling rate setting. For medium to high-end systems, select 500 ms. If you're on a low-end PC, go with 1000 ms for better system stability during heavy load moments. After configuring everything, check every available box in the ISLC window, click on Purge Standby List, and then hit Start. Don't close the app, just minimize it. ISLC will now run silently in the background, constantly freeing memory and keeping latency to a minimum throughout your Fortnite sessions. Now let's move on to the Filter Key Setter. Right-click the tool and run it as an administrator for full access. Once opened, tick the options labeled Available, Confirm Activation, and Show Status. These ensure that the filter keys remain consistently active while you're gaming. Now it's time to fine-tune the input response. Set Ignore Under to 0 ms. Set Repeat Delay to 200 ms. Set Repeat Rate to 25 ms. These settings optimize your keyboard for lightning-fast response, allowing up to 40 key presses per second, ideal for instant builds, quick edits, and smooth movement in Fortnite. Finally, enable Save to Registry and click OK to lock in the changes permanently. To get started with GearUp Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link after downloading. Install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUp Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. Now let's move on to another crucial keyboard tweak that can seriously cut down input delay and make your keystrokes respond almost instantly. It's a quick and easy change, but highly impactful, especially in Fortnite, where fast building, editing, and split-second reactions can make all the difference. Start by pressing the Windows key, then type keyboard into the search bar. From the results, select Keyboard Properties, or Change Keyboard Repeat Delay and Rate. Both options lead to the same settings window you need. Inside this window, you'll see two sliders, one for repeat delay and another for repeat rate. These control how quickly your keyboard repeats input when you hold down a key, something that directly impacts how responsive your inputs feel during fast-paced gameplay. Here's how they work. Repeat delay controls the pause before a held key starts repeating. Repeat rate determines how fast the repeated input is sent after the delay kicks in. To achieve the fastest input response for Fortnite, drag the repeat delay slider all the way to short and set the repeat rate slider to fast. This fine-tunes your keyboard to respond instantly when you press or hold keys, which is critical for turbo building, quick edit chains, and snappy movements. Once both sliders are adjusted, click Apply, then hit OK to save the changes. Next, turn off mouse acceleration in Windows to reduce input delay and sharpen your aim. It's a simple tweak, but it makes a big difference in precision, essential for landing consistent shots in Fortnite's fast-paced fights. Start by pressing the Windows key and typing Mouse Settings into the search bar. Click the top result to open the main mouse settings panel. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Additional Mouse Options. This will open the classic mouse properties window you're probably familiar with. Now switch over to the Pointer Options tab. You'll notice a slider called Select a Pointer Speed. Set this slider right in the middle. This is the default position and helps prevent artificial speed changes. Just below that, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. Uncheck this box. Why? Because Enhance Pointer Precision is actually Windows' built-in mouse acceleration. When enabled, it changes your cursor's speed based on how fast you move the mouse, which might sound useful, but in reality, it causes unpredictable and inconsistent movement. Disabling it gives you raw 1-1 input, ensuring your aim in Fortnite is steady, reliable, and totally under your control. Once you've made those changes, click Apply, then OK to lock in the settings. But we're not done just yet. There's one more place where hidden acceleration could still be active. Through Windows Accessibility Settings. Open the control panel by typing it into the Start menu. Go to Ease of Access, then click on Ease of Access Center. From here, scroll down and select Make the mouse easier to use. On the next screen, click Set up mouse keys. In the mouse keys window, you'll find a slider labeled Acceleration. Drag this slider all the way to the left, slow, to fully disable any remaining system-level mouse acceleration that might sneak in through these settings. Once you've done that, hit Apply and OK to save everything. With both pointer precision and ease of access acceleration disabled, mouse acceleration is now fully off. This boosts aim consistency, cuts input delay, and gives you tighter control in every Fortnite fight. That's a wrap for today, guys. If this helped fix your input delay and boost Fortnite performance, hit that like button and subscribe for more great tips. Thanks for watching. Peace out.